Preferred Club Junior Suite pool view. Very good size. First walk in, and the closet has a safe. It is large enough to fit your laptop for sure. Steamer. The other side has slippers and robes. Double sinks. Oversized tub and shower. Toilet area. I really love that this door opens up here. Can't go anywhere, but you get a little fresh air if you want it. This room has a king-size bed. TV on the wall. There's a mini bar, mini fridge in here. Sitting area. Little table, great for room service. We got some cake and some wine. And the view looks out onto the ocean and the preferred pool. Very good sized balcony. The whole room is a great size. And it's very cold in here. I know people often complain or ask about the air conditioning here. It is very cold in here. It says it's 20. So if you are interested in booking, I would be happy to help you. You can reach out to me on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com.